Sabah everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about the Google Home Mini versus the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation sound test. Which one sounds the loudest and which one sounds the best? This is TK, let's check it out. So here we have both contenders, the Google Home Mini running the latest software as well as the Echo running the latest software. It did receive an update since I did the unboxing for you guys. And then of course in the middle I have the Razer Phone 2 running a meter application or a voice meter so that we can just get a better understanding as far as which one is playing louder at least. From the one that sounds better, we're going to have to make a decision together at the end of the video. So we're playing again, same list of music off of the Google Play Music library via Bluetooth to the Echo and then directly connected to the Play library as this actually works with Google services. I'm controlling it using the Google Home application connected over Wi-Fi to the Google Home Mini. And of course, since I'm connected via Bluetooth over, and I showed it to you guys in the video yesterday, I'm just going to be able to play the music directly out of my Google Play Music app. And we're going to go in increments, meaning I'm going to be playing portions of the song. So let's say the first 13 seconds on this one, we'll replay the second one right after just to see how they compare. And just as proof that this actually does work, you can see how the fluctuations have been going ever since I started talking, and this kind of measures it there. So it's definitely accurate, and I'm going to go quiet for a second and then start. So the first one we're going to start with is the Echo. So that looked more about a consistent 75, 76 on that one. So let's go ahead and switch over to the Google Home. This one didn't perform as well. It was actually pretty much stuck almost in the upper 60s for the most part. But again, we're still at the beginning of the song. Let's go ahead and go forward. Okay, this one sounded pretty good. So looking over the data, you can pretty much see that the line kind of stays around the same range. So further along in the song, it actually does sound like it's a little bit better. They're more comparable. Although still, from the sound quality point of view, I feel like the Echo Dot is a little bit bassier. Like the bass quality on this is definitely better, and it fills it up better, as well as a little bit different here with the Google Home Mini. It doesn't sound as bad, even though I can configure it. It's just not as much bass. Next song we're going to play is Firefly by Jim Yosef. I'm going to start off again with the Echo. So a solid 69 to 72, depending on how the beat was fluctuating. So this one's a little bit odd. If you notice where this was performing a little bit better earlier, now this one seems a little bit louder. Again, not a lot. For the most part, they both sound very, very loud in the sense of where they are. So on the spectrum from what we've seen with the first couple of songs that we played, we're going to play one more song that's mostly vocals, just to kind of give you guys a point of view on that. But for the most part, they're kind of neck and neck. A little bit better, again, as on the bass level is what we get with the Echo Dot over the Google Play, the Google Home.
Streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.
Okay, let's go ahead and switch over to the Google Home Mini. It's actually pretty good. It was averaging, again, about 75, 76, peaking up at 79 a couple of times. But again, constant, basically for the most part, you could see the spectrum here. It pretty much stays within the same realm, between 60 to 90 dBs.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes.
Vocals both sound really good, again, but when it comes to a little bit of bass, again, I still think the Echo Dot is a little bit better. I hope this was a good enough demonstration to you guys. Again, by no means this is a very scientific demonstration of which one is better, but just listening to music and listening to them and making a judgment call on your own, I personally think that the Echo Dot, definitely the third generation, sounds a little bit bassier and a little bit fuller, where the Google or the Home Mini definitely sounds great, loud enough. They're both very close as far as this, the range of sound. So if you think about where they are, they're both between 70 to 80 dBs whenever they were playing music. And again, this is at their loudest. So it doesn't mean that this is how you're going to be listening to music. But I was trying to answer to you guys is which one is louder? Which one has the stronger, fuller sound? As far as which one is louder, I definitely think the Echo Dot sounds louder, although only by a couple of dBs. And we're not talking in night and day. If you have an existing Google Home ecosystem, so let's say you have a Google Home Mini, a Google Home, or any of the other speakers, this is definitely not going to be a big game changer for you. Now, where the quality of the sound is going to get a little bit different, I think the inclusion of better sound system. Obviously, we have new speakers, more powerful unit here. It's using a 15-watt power supply as opposed to micro USB, which is what we have here with the Google Home Mini. You are going to be getting a much more fuller sound. So again, both great, both around roughly about the same price point. If you don't have an existing system and you're looking to get in for the first time, for sound alone, I would definitely say that the Echo Dot wins. If you're looking for functionality and you're looking for automation, I'm linking another video that I did a comparison between the two of them. And the Google Home Mini is still, in my opinion, ahead of where the Amazon Echo ecosystem is. Although it's great, but from a natural point of view, conversation, making phone calls, receiving phone calls, just interacting with the assistant in a more natural conversation way, I find that 9 times out of 10, I don't have to repeat myself with the Google Home Mini, where the Echo Dot, I have to ask and it just responds back to me with something that did not make sense. Like and subscribe as usual. Let me know in the comments below, of course, which one do you think sounded better to you? Again, overall, I still think the Echo Dot sounds better. It's new. It has definitely been updated, so we have that working for it, where the Google Home Mini is about a year old, and it still sounds pretty loud. Again, a couple of dBs difference. This is TK. Thank you very much for the support. Again, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.